Hi friends, this is Carmen. Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, welcome. I am going to do an unboxing today, but as you can probably see, or maybe not just yet, this is a pretty big box. It's not plants. It's not plants. If you've been with me for a little while, you know that I have been wanting a potting bench for the longest time, and now I finally have one. I am so thankful to Aivituvin for sending me this potting bench and for sponsoring today's video. I'm gonna put this together and put it out in my patio and get it all, fixed up for you so you can see what it looks like. And I've also got a great discount code for you also. So stay tuned for all of that, okay? Let's get to it. Okay, so here is my patio. The dogs are outside. And this is where I've been doing my potting and keeping my supplies and everything. This is a table that I've had for a long time. It's a foldable 6-foot table, and it just takes up way too much room in here. And I just need to clean all of this up. I've been meaning to do that for so long, but finally I'm going to be doing that today. And, I'm going to be putting some of these things in the garage, like that blue cart there. I used to use that for my art supplies. Then I had it for gardening supplies. I'm going to work this where I don't need that out here anymore. I'm going to put it in the garage, actually. And just kind of clean things up here. I have a couple of choices of where to put the potting bench. The obvious one would be right here along that wall where the table is now. Or I think it may fit over here in this little spot right here. I think it's just wide enough where it won't block the exit, the sliding glass door there. So we'll see. I'll try both spots out. If I do that, that means I can move this shelf here over here so the plants on it can get a little bit more sun. We'll see. On the other side is where Lucas has his bell peppers and okra and all sorts of stuff he's growing, but I have my succulents and cacti, my chair I sit on every once in a while, and some other cactus euphorbias and stuff. So that's what we're working with. The things on this side that I just show you are not going to change. What's going to change is everything on this side. Okay, so I need to get this cleaned up, but I don't really think that you guys need to see all of that. I think I just need to. There, much better, right, Sam? So now I need to put the potting bench together. Let's get to it. Now, just to let you know a couple of things about Aivituvin. They have very fast shipping. My box arrived via FedEx in a couple of days. They have 8 warehouses in the USA, so they can deliver very quickly. Now, the material of this potting bench is made of fir wood, and it's coated with an eco-friendly water-based paint that's 100% safe, but I can easily paint it if I wanted to. This potting bench is easy assembly. There's a guide in there that has complete instructions, and all the screws are labeled. The pieces are labeled, and so it's very easy to match up the pieces and the screws that go with it. Now the screws require a Phillips screwdriver, but I would absolutely recommend getting a drill or using a drill. You know, I used both when it was a little bit too tight to use the drill. I used the screwdriver, but definitely the drill makes it go a lot quicker. The instructions say that it takes 45 minutes, 2 people putting it together. I'm by myself today, so we'll see exactly how long it takes me, okay? Okay, so here she is. I just noticed that drawer's a little bit wonky, so I'm gonna have to take another look at that. But a couple of things that I would recommend. Definitely have a drill, because you know, you can definitely do it with a Phillips screwdriver. There, all the holes are pre-drilled, but some of them are very long and it can take a little bit. So to make it go quicker, use a drill. 2, it definitely helps if you have a second person. The instructions are very simple to read, and 2 people can definitely do it in 45 minutes. It took me a little longer because I had to, okay, I admit it, I had to unscrew a couple of things a couple of times because I had them upside down or something like that, okay? But, so it took me a couple of hours. But definitely 2 people, it's easier to hold things. One can read the instructions while the other one drills. It just makes for a much easier time. Now, the only thing I didn't put on was the hooks on the side. You can put the hooks right here. There's 4, looks like, that you can put on each side. I didn't drill those in yet because I really don't have anything that I'm going to hang there. All of my tools and things are in these little ceramic pots. But you know, I've got some of my plants up there. It has a bin for my soil. I have my aeroid soil in there right now, and I can just fill that up. I have more soil down there. I did put my the black Rubbermaid tray that I was always using, I put it underneath. And it also has, so you can keep things clean, it has this liner here that you can use on the top, or I'm using it right here on this shelf, and you can keep, you know, things clean without soil going through, and you can keep your area clean. But I absolutely love it. It's very good wood. They have it sealed, but if I wanted to, I could definitely paint this and, you know, maybe spruce it up a little bit. But otherwise, I'm super happy with it. Thank you so much, Aivituvin. I always have trouble saying that, and I apologize to them. Aivituvin, thank you so much for sponsoring today's video, and I love my potting bench. As I mentioned, friends, there is a 5% discount code that you can use. It's down in the description box along with a link to their website. Okay, one more look. Thanks so much, friends. I hope you enjoyed this little adventure that we took together. It was something. And I really hope that you go and check them out. Now, if you have other animals like dogs, cats, rabbits, chickens, and such, they make also some great chicken coops, rabbit coops, things like that. So the next thing I'm going to get will probably be something for the cats. Sorry, Rosie. Because they have a little cat thing that I want to get, a little cat house with like a little balcony. I think that they would like that. Anyway, so if you enjoyed this video, friends, please do give it a thumbs up, give it a like, and make sure that you subscribe because you don't want to miss any of this fun. Thanks so much, friends. I appreciate you spending some time with me today. Make sure you check out their website. I will talk to you in the next video. Have a blessed and wonderful day. Bye-bye now.